Alright, so the ET7 here, or 6, it stopped, but also, and was almost out of fuel, but the reason it stopped is because the nut here that holds this linkage for the exhaust came loose and popped out of the socket here. So I have to get that reattached. So I'm gonna and unfortunately it is not M2.5, it must be M2, so that box of M25 nuts and bolts that I got for some other project is not quite tiny enough for this to put a longer pin in there. So trying to think whether, because you can see there's only a couple threads there, so I do want to Loctite it in place, but I have to figure out a way to get it Loctited without getting any in under the arm there, because I don't want to accidentally Loctite that arm together, because that certainly would be no good. So I think to do some cleaning and thinking about this first. But that is the thing that I discovered after this quit, was that that nut came off of there. So I'm going to put some more thought into this, and then we'll get back when I have a plan. Okay, so I took these parts out and sprayed them with brake cleaner to make sure that, in particular, this threaded hole on the arm here is clean so that it will stick, or so that the Loctite will stick. And I'm actually going to assemble this off of the engine with the Loctite, and let the Loctite set up before I put this back on the engine. So and there is a toothpick, carefully getting the Loctite exactly where I want it. And what I'm going to attempt to do is actually apply the Loctite through the back here. There we go. There, I get it to draw down those threads to the front side here. And I can wipe that off and put our Alright, so that's still free, and the Loctite is in place, so we're just going to let that sit like that until the Loctite sets and put it back on the engine. Okay, so the Loctite from the back side has had a chance to set, which means I've got this arm. I need to screw it back into here, and I counted 8 turns, but we'll see what we get here. 1, 2, that was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, what needs to happen then is for when that pivot is in place, you gotta tighten that screw exactly enough to get play here. I may need to put a washer in there so that I can tighten this down against the bracket instead of having it grab the arm there, but alright. And then we're checking the free movement here. I am going to turn this out a turn. And see what that does for the clearance on the valve tappet there. Okay, that turn out took all the clearance off my valve tappet there, so I'm gonna pop this off and put a turn in there. And I think that's still opening plenty wide, so get our go. So that is all the free movement, and then hold our intake valve and rotate Are we? Wait, I should turn this the right direction. That would be important. So yeah, heading down to the exhaust, it pops open. And then it closes. Okay. All right, that's that. Now, make sure I get the right section in here where we can see what's happening. So I had a washer behind this side here to help close this gap between the detent and the this washer here, because this mechanism doesn't have a ton of action, and most of the action previously was used just to push this out of the way. So now I have to figure out a solution to get that gap, because right now it's pushing against the side of the, so it's supposed to hold there, but instead it's got all this room to push aside there, and that's almost the entire movement of the mechanism is free to push against the side and not hold the valve open. And like I said, the first solution I had was to put a washer down here, but that obviously took too many threads out of the nut here, and now I'll need to make a different solution for this, and I have to decide whether I want to put something on this washer or something, try to redo this bar here, because currently there's not a lot of vertical room for this latching bar, so anything, I have to probably loosen this and run it up a bit in order to get room to modify, to get the lash out of this latch and change that latch. But right now we've got that put together, and I'll have to think about how to try and fix this.